Here is how to fix the GCash face scan error. First of all, you need to open the Play Store or App Store according to your device and then simply search for GCash application. And once you find it, tap on it, and if you see an update button over there, go ahead and update it with its latest and newest version available and check if the problem is fixed. If the issue still persists, you need to open your phone settings and then scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, simply search for GCash application. And once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down, tap on battery, and then tap on clear cache. Come back, go to the permission section, and ensure that the camera permission is allowed for GCash. If the camera permission is turned off, select camera and then select allow only while using the app, and you'll be done. Remember that if the camera permission is off, the face scan won't work. So now open GCash and see if the problem is resolved. You can also try cleaning your camera lens, as smudges can prevent face recognition, and also ensure that you are in a well-lit area. While scanning, hold the phone at the eye level and align your face properly, and slowly move closer to the camera. Avoid tilting your head or moving too fast. And if the problem still continues after trying these steps, contact GCash customer support, or you can tap and hold onto it and then tap on uninstall. Delete it completely from your device and go ahead, open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, and then reinstall GCash on your phone. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.